Money. It builds empires, and it destroys them. For some, it's freedom. For others, it's chains. But here's the truth, money isn't power. Understanding money is power. Today you're going to learn how to survive in the US with just $500 a month, and more importantly, how to save money without feeling broke. This isn't theory, this is reality. And if you master this skill now, your financial future will never be the same. Today we're going to cover 4 powerful topics that will completely change how you think about money as a student. The first one is all about automating your savings, because if you don't save first, you'll never save at all. The other 3, I'll keep them blurred for now. We'll reveal each one step by step. The number 1 mistake students make is waiting for more money before saving. Wrong move. If you can't save when you have little, you'll never save when you have more. Here's the rule, save 10% the moment money hits your account. Even if it's just $50. Put it away automatically, out of sight. That's your financial shield. As Warren Buffett said, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. I know, quoting billionaires and financial studies might sound boring, but trust me, without these lessons it's like living without an arm, impossible to function. Now let's unlock the second topic, controlling your spending. The goal isn't to live worse, it's to live smarter. Small changes add up. Brew your coffee instead of paying $5 daily at Starbucks. Use student discounts. According to Student Beans, the average student can save up to $100 per month. Track your expenses. An app, a spreadsheet, doesn't matter. Visibility is power. Benjamin Franklin once said, beware of little expenses, a small leak will sink a great ship. The third topic is one of my favorites, the psychology of money. The moment money hits your account, your brain screams, spend it now. But wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you don't spend. A 2019 Stanford study found that students who learned to save even small amounts were 40% more likely to reach financial stability later in life. As Aristotle once said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Finally, the last reveal, practical action steps. Let's make this simple. Save 10% upfront, budget into categories, food, transport, fun, use the 24-hour rule before buying something unnecessary. Celebrate small wins, watch your savings grow. Money is just a tool, like a hammer, a laptop, or a book. You can waste it, or you can master it. Real power isn't in chasing money, it's in understanding the rules of money. And once you do, remember, if you can survive on $500 and still save, you'll be unstoppable with any amount.
Dad, why is money so hard to keep?
Because most people think money is the goal.
Isn't it?
No. Money is just a tool. The real goal is understanding it. Learn to manage it, and it will work for you. Waste it, and it works against you.
So, money isn't power?
Power is knowing how to use it wisely. Master that, and you'll always be a step ahead.